Welcome to ChutneyPedia. Thank you so much for your overwhelming positive response for ChutneyPedia. Our today's chutney is plain coconut chutney. So let's get started. Time for today's tip. As you have already watched this recipe, I believe that you would like to know more about this chutney. One thing I would strongly recommend you is use fresh coconut if you can get hold of it. If not, you can use desiccated coconut. Also, make sure if you're using tamarind, which is hard or solid, make sure you don't forget to soak in warm water for 5 minutes. Trust me, this will make the grinding process easier. Now for the storage, we know that as soon as you serve this delicious chutney on your table, it will be finished as everyone would love it. But if you want to consume this chutney later, you can store it up to 2 days in refrigerator. This chutney is best fit with South Indian cuisine like Idli and dosa. We also tried this with paratha and bread toast. Trust me, it tastes amazing. Now I'm sure you're dying to prepare this amazing chutney. But before you do that, please like, share and subscribe ChutneyPedia. See you soon.